Well, hello everybody. Here we are at another big milestone. Going to put the bottom of the skin of the airplane on, or most of it. The plywood was a little bit short from the supplier in the Team Mini Max. So we're going to go from here to here. See if we can get that on. Maybe a little custom spatula. A little thicker, a little bigger, a little tougher. I'll take a second to get the leftover wood. The sticks themselves ain't gonna use much glue, but this plywood, like I said, sucks it up. I have got on the plywood lines exactly where I need to put the staples on the top side, the outside, and a line on the underside where a broad area, maybe too broad, where the glue goes. For these few cross members, there's not a lot. Anyway, I'll show you that in a minute. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get started here. Alright. Now, don't want to waste it, but I said this is where we're getting our bang for a buck right here on the plywood. Definitely want it. The blue line here is where the, you can see it, how far back the plywood's going to come. That's going to give me my line up. Now make sure my distance is, man, this fly is eating me up tonight and killed a couple. I got my flex water with me. But they're one of the little ones that land on you and bite. They're not yellow flies. I don't know if y'all familiar with them. We got them all around here in North Carolina. We're close to Carolina, so we catch all their bugs. Yeah, I'm gonna mix up some more pockets and I'll do it plywood. What are you crying about out there? All right. Time to put the glue on the plywood. all the stickers on the inside are gluing. But hopefully it'll be okay. Alright. Hold this one just on the other side of this bend. There. There. Anyway, put the edger on this, put them diagonals in. Waiting on this one piece of wood to come in right here. I need to finish putting that on, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a doubler on top of it or not. We'll see. But thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. I know you didn't get to see me to do the most important part. Put that on as a pain in the butt. It's just a matter of getting epoxy all over me, lining it up, and then just putting a bunch of stickers in it. So sorry you missed it. What was I gonna say? Hope you have a great evening. Take care.